Welcome back. Let me repeat it again. We click here, the edges. Achieve it with zoom out by scrolling the wheel on the mouse. You click here. Now it comes to this point. Okay, there's an error here. Zoom in. You click here. You click here. Click here. Click this portion. Zoom in. Click this portion. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this extends up to this side. Okay, click this portion. Actually, the trees are covering the extent of the building, the tree extent, so you have to estimate very well. So for this last point, I can decide to click here, and then right click and then finish sketch. Okay, do remember to save intervally, Control S, and also you save your edits once you are done. Okay, now this building, let's try this. What we'll do is we'll trace this side, trace in and go around. So maybe we can start from here. Click here, you click inward first, click here based on the pattern of the building. Click this, okay, keep clicking until you get to the last stage. So you can double left click here. Now there we have it. Okay, we have another complicated one, so I would love you to do this. We have another complicated one here. So how do we go about this? What we simply do is this: you click in, maybe you click in here again, click in here, you click in here, and you take this out to this extent. Get it? Then you get back here. Now there's what we call snapping tool. We have to activate the snapping tool. Is activated. Now what it does is that it helps you complete geometry. So you can go to options and okay, I think the setup is there already. Okay, you can click this, like use endpoint, intersecting snap, midpoint, tangent, and the rest. You have to activate them. Okay, so what we'll do, come here, you click at this edge. It's supposed to snap smoothly, supposed to take me directly to the snap to sketch. Okay, now it's applying. You can see it take me to the sketch vertex. Okay, then I click here. I also come to sketch vertex here and click here, then I'll finish. Okay, I'll repeat that again so that it will become a complete polygon. You can see it's a complete polygon. Okay, with the difficult part being joined together. So I'll repeat again. Excuse me. You start from here, you click inside, you now click outside, outside,